At 1:25 p.m., a tornado watch was issued, and by 2:50 p.m., a small, isolated thunderstorm was already producing funnel clouds 60 miles southwest of Oklahoma City. Powerful positive lightning activity was increasing near a classic merry-go-round base, and a tight tornado twisted to the ground. The storm was intensifying, and the broader picture revealed a loaded gun scenario with Oklahoma City in its crosshairs. The tornado circumference was expanding, and funnels were writhing inside its curtains like a cage full of snakes.
Tornado warning for west central McLean County, central Oklahoma, eastern Grady County, central.
Alright, here comes the RFD.
The RFD is a key mechanism in the formation of tornadoes in supercells and may include intense wind, rain, and hail surging from the backside of the storm. When storm chasers see strong wind and rain recirculating back into a developing tornado, they know it means trouble. Watch this classic scenario of a powerful RFD obscuring and intensifying tornado in seconds. Now imagine if you just now arrived at this scene. You might not have the slightest idea a large significant tornado was developing, and unfortunately many people drive through these walls of rain only to meet their demise on the other side.
Telephone lines, stay up.
Strong RFDs can blow out windows and overturn vehicles. Large tornadoes can and often do change directions, so driving through a powerful blinding RFD is a highly dangerous gamble for any chaser. Here we are attempting to slice through the RFD to see what it is hiding inside its coils.
I think there might be a big tornado on the ground. Whoa. That would be the tornado. Man. Big tornado. Okay, here comes the hail. Hopefully it doesn't. Oh man, there it is. Blew everything down. This one is violent and giant. Rain-wrapped, worst case scenario. Where are we? Heading towards Newcastle. Whoa. Yeah, I don't think we want to go any further than that, dude. What we got here? We got another road. Alright, we're taking it.
At this moment, the tornado is over a mile wide and causing EF3 damage in Bridge Creek, Oklahoma, a small suburb less than 15 miles from heavily populated Norman.
It's there. Satellite coming out the side there. Alright. I don't know if we want to do this. I can clearly see the mesocyclone. This is a completely different storm. And why do I not have my radar? It just went out. Not that I need it. This is definitely worst case scenario. And here she goes. Straight ahead. I need to be cool. There should be a tornado on the ground. Once we get in front of these trees. That is a tornado. Tight circulation right here. I'm following it. Oh man. Wow, look at that. Should have stopped right there. Alright, I need to make sure satellites. Oh man. Gonna get on the other side of this. Look at that. Alright, here comes the rain wrap RFD. It's gonna wrap this in rain and hopefully not break my windshield. That is close, close, close. Alright, we want to go a little further so that we can at least see it if it drops down again. Here it goes. I can just get over this hill. Just get over this hill. It is 5:33 and tornado right in front of us. Might need it back. Back up. And of course, there's got to back up like they always do with me. Why can't you just go northeast like you're supposed to? Come on, car, go. Is that a photograph in there? No, it's just black. Craziness. Wow, it's just stationary right there. What's going on here? Talk to me, Storm.
As fast as it developed, this unrated tornado dissipated, but the parent storm was now moving into Norman. The police were shutting down streets and interstates while the city prepared for the worst.
It looks like a tornado is going to be heading through Moore. Oh, man. Right in between Moore and Norman.
At this moment, a confirmed EF1 tornado is damaging West Norman. This storm would drop a couple more weak tornadoes in the Oklahoma City metro area before transitioning into a high precipitation mess. The Bridge Creek EF3 tracked over 10 miles before stalling prior to entering a heavily populated area. Oklahoma City Metro dodged another bullet and could exhale in relief, but not for long. A new tornadic supercell would fire to the southwest and train over the previous storm's path. It would enter Oklahoma City after dark and drop a destructive EF3 tornado, injuring 12 people. It's a multi-vortex tornado. Pure craziness. And it looks like this is going to happen all over again tomorrow.
This one means business. Possible satellites orbiting around it on the outside. Multi-vortex tornado on the